Well, we're entering the house. Hey guys.
Hi.
How you doing?
Great.
Got a sack of potatoes here or something here. Hey, watch out, guys.
Sweet potatoes or
Watch out.
potatoes?
Just watch out of the way.
Can you back up, please?
Watch out, guys. Where's Autumn?
She's all the way back. Totally.
Hey, Autumn, we need you to come out.
Meet your little puppy, Avery. Okay.
It's okay. Just be careful.
Okay, what we're going to do is everybody's going to sit in a circle. Meet Avery. Okay, everybody needs to sit in a circle because guess what? She might start shaking. She was shaking when I was holding her.
And she might tinkle.
Okay, let me tell you, she had surgery, so nobody can lift her up, okay? Logan, turn on that light.
I'll get it.
Okay. Listen, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna sit her here and we're just gonna let her come to whoever she comes to, okay? This is how you introduce a puppy to you, your family. She might pee. She's had surgery, okay? Oh. Here we go. Hi, Avery.
She's shy.
She might be a little nervous. She was very comfortable with mom and dad.
I think I'm draining. No, you can't. It's funny.
It's okay, Avery. It's okay.
I won't,
Down,
sweetie.
she's shaking. It's okay, Avery. She'll come to you, you guys. Just wait. Right now, she's shaking pretty bad.
She's coming to his toes, Mom.
Remember what I told you guys? You put the back side of your hand out so she can snip the back side of your hand.
No, not all at once. There you go. See, she's really sweet.
Yeah, see?
See?
Be calm. You be calm, okay, guys?
Let her come to you. Go ahead and pet her.
She has stitches, okay?
She just got here, Avery. We gotta exercise her butt. Oscar poop every day. We can keep her.
Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah,
Quiet. Everybody be calm, okay?
Let
Somebody-
me go get a rag, please.
It's not
Oh, no, she did it again.
It's okay. Get the rag,
Get a rag for
please.
me.
Well, this is what a puppy is like.
Yeah.
That's what
I
puppies
had a
do.
feeling I saw the way she's squatting. I was like, oh, she's getting ready to pee.
We gotta talk. I still think I'm No way.
I think she's doing it again. Well, she's nervous. Here, come
Yeah.
on, let's wipe
We
it
got
out.
a dog. Is this she's so cute.
Yes.
Okay, look,
Yes.
I need another rag. Come on, guys. I need a
This
rag
is-
and some cleaner.
This is our Avery. Get us a spray bottle,
Hey,
please.
you know how our cage
Get
is
some
so
vinegar.
huge?
Give me the vinegar.
Dad, you know how the
Yeah.
cage is big? It's going to have a lot of, she's going to have a lot of them.
Welcome home, Avery.
I need vinegar too.
No, you don't.
I need some vinegar, please.
Is this vinegar? She's walking around the house. Guys, she's let her sniff around the
Welcome
house.
home, Avery, Magnolia.
Hey, what about the dog food? Her name's Avery
Don't
Magnolia.
come over here. I've got them.
Yep.
Guys, stop crowding here.
Oh,
She's peeing again.
she's pooping now.